So shine before you prove your teeth. Because you even be insane. Where is your God? Where is your God? Where is your fucking God? I never know, I don't believe in you. I pray for the day, I pray for the day that you end this life. So please, take me away. Where is your God? Where is your God? Where is your fucking God? For a reverse, the whole assault. For all the person going insane. What do you think that is? For the families and wasted time upon your way.
Okay, guys, so being the oldest in the group, I think it's pretty clear that, you know, I get to do the cool part.
I mean, oldest or most washed up? Just being honest here.
Whoa, guys, come on. Let's be civil, okay? You know what? In the spirit of acting as a neutral party, I can happily take the cool part.
Oh, sure, yeah, play the nice guy card so you can sneak on in and take the cool part for yourself. We see through you, dude.
That sounds like a victim complex talking.
Oh my God! Fuck it. We do it together. Follow my lead.
Walk